Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear student, today we will revise chemical vapor deposition of inorganic material chemistry Chem 3115. Chemical vapor deposition. The key concept which we will discuss under this topic are general introduction of chemical vapor deposition, component of a system involving in chemical vapor deposition, different steps involved in chemical vapor deposition, then what is metal organic chemical vapor phase deposition, what are 3/5 semiconductor, how MOCVD work, precision in deposition, epitaxy, growth of crystalline layers, advantages and disadvantages of this technique mean chemical vapor deposition or metal organic chemical vapor phase deposition and its application. Now, what is chemical vapor deposition? Chemical vapor deposition is a chemical process used to produce high purity, high performance solid materials or coatings. In a typical CVD process, the substrate is exposed to one or more volatile precursor which react and decompose on the substrate surface to produce the desired deposit. Precursor include halides like titanium chloride, hydride, silicon hydride, and other compounds. During this process, volatile byproducts are also produced, which are removed by gas flow through the reaction chamber. जैसा कि स्टूडेंट इस डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है कि यहाँ से आपकी गैस आ रही है विद प्रिकर्सर, ये प्रिकर्सर्स, और ये आपकी सबस्ट्रेट है. रिएजेंट इन गैस फेज, ये गैस फ्लो है. यहाँ पे एड्सॉर्प्शन एंड सरफेस रिएक्शंस टेकिंग प्लेस here, and then growth, film growth and release of volatile byproduct in the last step, and these byproduct flow are removed from the chamber through gas flow. This is the basic principle involving in chemical vapor deposition. CVD is the formation of a non-volatile solid film on a substrate by the reaction of vapor phase chemical, that are reactants, that contain the required constituents. The reactant gases are introduced into a reaction chamber and are decomposed and reacted at a heated surface to form the thin film. Here, solid source gases introduced into reaction chamber, and these reactant react on the substrate, adsorb, and then different gases are involved which are removed from the reaction chamber along with gases this is the substrate, and it is heated as we already mentioned. What are the components of chemical vapor deposition system? First, gas delivery system. It is used for the supply of precursors to the reactor chamber. Then reactor chamber, chamber within which deposition take place. Substrate loading mechanism, a system for introducing and removing substrates, mandrels, etc. Energy source, which provide the energy or heat that is required to get the precursor to react or decompose. Next is vacuum system, a system for removal of all other gaseous species other than those required for the reaction or deposition. Exhaust system, system for removal of volatile byproduct from the reaction chamber. Exhaust treatment systems. In some instances, exhaust gases may not be suitable for release into the atmosphere and may require treatment or conversion to safe or harmless compounds. And last one is process control equipment, gauges, control, etc. to monitor process parameters such as pressure, temperature, and time. These are the different forms of mandrels, like stainless steel mandrels, brass head mandrels, nickel plated mandrels, and large head mandrels. Now we will discuss different steps involved in chemical vapor deposition. Student, this is the flow sheet diagram for different steps involving in chemical vapor phase deposition. First, transport of reactant by force convection to the deposition region. Then transport of reactant by diffusion from the main gas stream to the substrate surface. Then adsorption of reactant in the wafer means substrate surface. Fourth one is chemical decomposition and other surface reactions take place. Fifth, desorption of byproduct from the surface and transport of byproduct by diffusion. Transport of byproducts by forced convection away from the deposition region. So this is the flow sheet diagram. And now we will discuss these steps one by one. Step 1, transport of reactant by forced convection to the deposition region. And these steps are also mentioned in the following diagram. And this is the first step. Here, transport of reactant by forced convection to the deposition region take place. Step 2, transport of reactant by diffusion from the main gas stream through the boundary layer to the wafer surface. Here step 2 take place. And then step 3, here adsorption of reactant on the wafer surface. Wafer means substrate. And now step 4, surface processes including chemical decomposition or reaction, surface migration to attachment sites such as atomic level ledges and kinks, site incorporation and other surface reactions take place at step 4. And now step 5, desorption of byproduct from the surface here occur. And now step 6, transport of byproducts by diffusion through the boundary layer and back to the main gas stream, जो कि यहाँ पे आपके पास आ रही है गैस स्ट्रीम. And now step 6, here transport of byproduct by forced convection away from the deposition region takes place. So these are the different steps involved in the whole process of chemical vapor deposition. And what is epitaxy? This term used in the next slides. Epitaxy refers to the deposition of a crystalline overlayer on a crystalline substrate. The overlayer is called an epitaxial film or epitaxial layer. The term epitaxy comes from the Greek root epi meaning above, taxis meaning an ordered manner. And now we will discuss metal organic chemical vapor phase deposition. Different names for the metal organic chemical vapor phase deposition process include organometallic chemical vapor deposition OMCVD, organometallic vapor phase epitaxy OMVPE, metal organic vapor phase epitaxy, metal organic chemical vapor phase deposition is a highly complex process for growing crystalline layers. MOCVD is used in manufacturing light emitting diodes, LEDs, lasers, transistors, solar cells, and other electronic and optoelectronic devices, and is the key enabling technology for future markets with high growth potential. The LED lighting applications that will soon become the widespread standard in the private, commercial, and public lighting market are a prime example of this trend. Metal organic chemical vapor deposition is a technology that is used to deposit very thin layer of atoms onto a semiconductor wafer. Wafers are thin discs mostly made of sapphire or silicon. It is the most significant manufacturing MOCVD process for 3/5 compound semiconductors, especially for those based on gallium nitride. These semiconductors are the most important base materials for manufacturing red, blue, green, and white LEDs. And what are 3/5 semiconductors? MOCVD is a process for manufacturing complex semiconductor multi-layer structures used in electronic or optoelectronic components such as LEDs, lasers, high-speed transistors, or solar cell. Unlike the better known silicon, which is used in the production of computer chips, these semiconductors consist of not just one element but rather of two or even more. They are therefore referred to as compound semiconductors. They include gallium arsenide, indium phosphide, gallium nitride, and related alloys. They are also called 3/5 semiconductor because they are made from elements of group 3 and 5 of the periodic table and can interact to form crystalline compounds. Compound semiconductors have significant advantages over silicon because electron can move very fast in 3/5 material. Those devices containing 3/5 semiconductor can process the very high frequencies in mobile phones, for example. Now, moreover, they can also function even at very high temperatures. Most importantly, they are highly efficient at converting light into electric power and vice versa. This is what high performance solar cell and all LED are based on. This is the periodic table, and here is the group 3, aluminium, gallium, indium, and this is the group 5, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, and antimony. The chemical used for the deposition process are atom of group 3 such as gallium, indium, aluminium combined with complex organic gas molecules, and atoms of group 5 such as arsenic, phosphorus, nitrogen combined with hydrogen atom. How MOCVD works? To produce compound semiconductor, the chemicals are vaporized and transported into the reactor together with other gases. There, the critical chemical reaction takes place that turns the chemical into the desired crystal, mean the compound semiconductor. In MOCVD, the injected gases are ultra pure and can be finely dosed. Here, this is the vaporized metal, organic and other gases. यहाँ से आपका मटेरियल ट्रांसपोर्ट होगा, देन केमिकल रिएक्शन, देन एडजॉर्प्शन, सरफेस काइनेटिक्स, देन ग्रोथ ऑफ लेयर्स, एंड देन हियर इज द डिसॉर्प्शन, और यहाँ से एवैक्यूएशन, जो आपकी एग्जॉस्ट गैसेस हैं वो आपकी मेन गैस स्ट्रीम के साथ रिएक्शन चैम्बर से बाहर निकल जाएंगी. ये वेफर मीन सबस्ट्रेट जिसके ऊपर आपकी लेयर फॉर्मेशन है वो होगी. This is the deposition process which take place on the substrates mean wafer. MOCVD relies on the gas phase transfer of the material to be deposited on the substrate. The deposition ultimately occurs via a chemical reaction at the substrate surface and typically result in high quality epitaxial thin film deposition. Because MOCVD utilize heated gas flow and surface chemical reaction, substrate temperatures for typical device growth are higher than molecular beam epitaxy and in the 500 to 1500 degree. In addition, the sample can be rotated at speed as high as 1500 rpm resolution per minute to promote higher uniformity and film quality. Furthermore, optical access is typically limited to less than 10 mm and the optical path distance is typically short, for example 250 mm or less. In addition, MOCVD deposition occurs at pressures close to atmospheric pressure, which precludes in situ metrology. For these reasons, in situ optical metrology probes for MOCVD are typically compact in size. अगेन ये आपके पास एक फ्लो शीट डायग्राम केमिकल वेपर डेपोजिशन की। यहाँ से गैस फेज रिएक्शंस जो कि मटेरियल आपका आ रहा है विद मेन गैस फ्लो, यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट टू द सरफेस है, एड्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ फिल्म प्रिकर्सर होगा, देन सरफेस डिफ्यूजन, और यहाँ से आपका रीडसॉर्प्शन ऑफ फिल्म प्रिकर्सर हो, और साथ में आपका यहाँ पे सरफेस रिएक्शन हो रही है। नेक्स्ट आपका जो है वो न्यूक्लिएशन एंड आइलैंड ग्रोथ, मीन ग्रोथ ऑफ फिल्म आपकी फॉर्मेशन हो रही है, ग्रोथ हो रही है लेयर की, और यहाँ से डिसॉर्प्शन ऑफ वोलाटाइल सरफेस रिएक्शन प्रोडक्ट में बाई प्रोडक्ट आएंगे आपके पास, और वो मेन गैस फ्लो के साथ आपके रिएक्शन चैम्बर से बाहर चले जाएंगे। नाउ द कैटलिस्ट यूज CVD processes. Catalysts usually transition metal particle like iron, nickel and cobalt are used in the CVD process. Precision in deposition. Precision is everything in CVD process. The thinnest film required in an LED structure are less than 1 nanometer thick, mean which is 0.00001 millimeter. Such thin film layers are usually deposited onto substrates of 4-inch size. ओके, वेफर ऊपर लेयर जो है वो आपकी जो है 4 इंच साइज जो सबस्ट्रेट के ऊपर जो आपने करनी है। इफ वी अप्लाई दिस प्रिसीजन टू जर्मनी वेरी स्नो लॉट, it would mean that a thin film of snow of just 1 centimeter height would have to be spread uniformly across the entire country. In the subsequent LED chip processing stage, precision is measured in nanometers. This diagram compares the diagram of an average human hair to the epitaxial layer on the substrate. ये आपके पास ह्यूमन हेयर है जो कि डायमीटर जिसका है वो 1 लाख नैनोमीटर है, और ये आपकी जो है ये कौन सी है, एपिटैक्सियल लेयर है, जो कि 1 एटम लेयर अप टू a few thousand नैनोमीटर है। ये आपकी वो सबस्ट्रेट जिसके ऊपर आपकी वो लेयर फॉर्मेशन है। दिस डायग्राम कंपेयर द diameter of an average human hair to the epitaxial layers on the substrate. Epitaxy mean growth of crystalline layers. जैसे यहाँ पे आप फर्स्ट डायग्राम देखें, ये इनिशियल स्टेट है आपकी। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप देखें कि आपका ये एक रेड है, देन ब्लैक है, रेड है, ब्लैक है, रेड है, ब्लैक। तो ये आपके लेयर्स में एटम्स जो है वो लगे हुए हैं। यहाँ पे रेड आपका जो है वो नाइट्रोजन एटम को शो कर रहा है और ब्लैक आपका गैलियम एटम को। तो जैसे ही गैस फ्लो विद प्रिकर्सर एंड डोपेंट विद इन द हीटेड रिएक्टर, मीन जो आपकी गैसेस आएंगी रिएक्शन चैम्बर के अंदर, तो वो यहाँ पे आपके एटम जो हैं वो आना शुरू हो जाएंगे, लगना शुरू हो जाएंगे। ये जो व्हाइट एरो दिखाए हुए हैं, तो ये थर्ड स्टेट में देखें तो क्रिस्टल्स स्टार्ट टू ग्रो। ओके, तो अब आप देखें कि फर्स्ट में और थर्ड के अंदर जो आपका कितना फर्क आ गया कि यहाँ पे आपकी जो क्रिस्टल जो है उसकी ग्रोथ स्टार्ट होगी, और फाइनल स्टेट के अंदर आप देखें तो एक यूनिफॉर्म लेयर आपकी जो है वो अचीव हो गई है, जो हमारा एक सीवीडी का प्रोसेस है उसके थ्रू। तो देन एपिटैक्सी रेफर्स टू द डेपोजिशन of thin single layers onto a suitable substrate on which they grow in the form of crystal. The word stems from a Greek term meaning stacked or arranged in layers. Now, what is epitaxy mean? Growth of crystalline layers. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of CVD? First, variable shaped surfaces. Given reasonable access to the coating powders or gases such as screw thread, blind holes or channels or recesses can be coated evenly without build up on edges. Now clear? Evenly, uniform, versatile. Any element or compound can be deposited. High purity can be obtained. High density, nearly 100% of theoretical value. Material formation well below the melting point. Economical in production since many parts can be coated at the same time. High growth rate possible through this technique. Can deposit material which are hard to evaporate. Good reproducibility and can grow epitaxial films. And these are the advantages of chemical vapor deposition. And what are the disadvantages? In this technique, high temperatures required, complex process comparatively to PVD, टॉक्सिक एंड कोरोसिव गैसेस, जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे एग्जॉस्ट गैसेस हैं, दीज आर टॉक्सिक एंड कोरोसिव, वाइल आपकी जो है पीवीडी है वो इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली टेक्निक है. नाउ व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सीवीडी? सीवीडी हैज मेनी एप्लीकेशन अक्रॉस अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज सच एज फर्स्ट कोटिंग फॉर अ वैरायटी ऑफ एप्लीकेशन लाइक wear resistance, corrosion resistance, high temperature production, erosion production, combination thereof, and semiconductors and related devices, integrated circuits, sensor, auto electronic devices. Next, dense structural parts. CVD can be used to produce components that are difficult or uneconomical to produce using conventional fabrication techniques. Dense parts produced via CVD are generally thin-walled and may be deposited onto a mandrel or former. Optical fibers for telecommunication. Composite preforms can be infiltrated using CVD techniques to produce ceramic matrix composites such as carbon-carbon, carbon-silicon carbide and silicon carbide composite. This process is sometimes called chemical vapor infiltration or simply CVI. Powder production of novel powders and fibers, catalyst, and in the last is nano machine. These are the different applications of CVD technique. Difference between PVD and CVD. PVD uses physical processes only, while CVD primarily uses chemical processes. PVD typically uses a pure source material, while CVD uses a mixed source material. This is the pictorial diagram for CVD and PVD. स्टूडेंट, ये आपका सेल्फ स्टडी का पोर्शन है. आपने ये टॉपिक जो नीचे सोलर सेल, लेजर डायोड है, ट्रांजिस्टर, एलईडी एंड हाउ एलईडी वर्क जो है, इसको आपने अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि इनके अंदर आपका सीवीडी जो टेक्निक है वो कैसे यूज़ की गई है। और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट नोट कि ये आपका सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है, ये जस्ट आपको इसलिए दिया गया कि आपने जो सीवीडी पढ़ी है उसको आप देखें कि सोलर सेल, लेज़र, ट्रांजिस्टर, एलईडी के अंदर कैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं। ये आगे एक्सप्लेनेशन है। जैसे फर्स्ट आपका सोलर सेल है, लेज़र डायोड, ट्रांजिस्टर, लाइट emitting डायोड, हाउ एलईडी वर्क्स। ये उसकी डायग्राम आपकी है एलईडी की, जिसके ऊपर हमने अभी कहा कि 4 इंच के ऊपर वो जो आपकी लेयर्स वगैरह है, ये आपका सफायर है। ये आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड ऑपरेशन मोड आपका क्लियर। द व्हाट एलईडी आर मेड ऑफ एंड हाउ दे वर्क, ये आपका डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन कर रही है। ये स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एलईडी। नाउ ये आपकी असाइनमेंट है। ये असाइनमेंट मेरे लेक्चर्स के एंड पे जो है इस तरह से इसी तरह के क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो आपसे पेपर में पूछे जा सकते हैं, और इसके अलावा आपको इसी तरह की असाइनमेंट्स भी दी जा सकती हैं जो कि आपने इस लेक्चर के बाद सॉल्व करनी है। जैसे फर्स्ट आपका है कि व्हाट इज सीवीडी, एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल डिफरेंट स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन सीवीडी प्रोसेस deposition with the help of diagrams, and number 2 explain in detail chemical vapor infiltration। जी स्टूडेंट, अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप मुझे अपने क्वेश्चन जो है किसी वक्त भी ईमेल के थ्रू जो है वो भेज सकते हैं, और मेरा ईमेल आईडी है maslamchemist@hotmail.com। इज इट क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।